Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So yesterday was, well, not yesterday, but Friday was kind of a weird day. We were pretty much going nowhere. It looked like it was just a consolidation day, and then lo and behold, going into the close, we had quite a bit of buying. Now, a couple of things. Firstly, this trend line here, which has been in place since early January, was tagged on Friday. You can see it was tagged up there. But interestingly, there is another trend line here, which was pretty much broken and come back to find support on it. Now, remember what we say, when we start breaking above trend lines like that or structure, and you can see what I'm doing here is there is a bit of a wedge there, and we broke above it. So normally what happens, if it breaks above, it's normally a fake out, comes back in, and then start forming a channel, or alternatively we look to break the downside and find some support lower down. However, just quick have a look at the 3 hour before we get to what we need to do. Bit of diversions here on the 3 hour. You can see how oscillators are moving down and prices moving up. That's not a very good sign, that. This week is pretty much when earnings kick off, so the banks kick off their earnings from Wednesday onwards. And by the looks of things, the forecast for the banks is looking very, very strong. So I suspect what we're seeing at the moment is really just going to be a bit of consolidation, waiting for the banks, and we're looking to buy. So with that in mind, a couple of things we need to just keep in the back of our minds. First thing is on the higher time frames, including the daily, our oscillators are grouped to the upside. We're extremely overbought at the moment. We're breaking all sorts of structure at the moment, and we're breaking it to the wrong direction. So be very cautious. I don't expect sort of massive moves up. We may sort of range about a little bit here until Wednesday and then start moving. But the trend is up on all time frames, so no, oscillators are telling you there's maybe an issue coming, but at the moment, trend is still up, so you should be looking to buy into this. So, what are we looking to do? So for me, first level is right here at 4111, then obviously 4100. I think if I do that, you'll see that's the bottom end of the trend line, which is 4100. So those are the two levels to watch. That's what I'd be looking at today, looking for opportunities to buy off some of that structure. And you can see at the moment, this last couple of 15-minute bars on Friday is what drove the market up, and it was a big move. Hey, almost 0.5%, so 200 points. So looking at 15 at the moment, you can see it's telling us we should be looking for the level, and I suspect this is a level we need to pay attention to, 4111, or even if we drop back down into this area, which would be a better situation, I think, is to come back down to 4100. Then what you should find is we're more than likely going to have a new channel form, and I'll show you what I'm talking about now. Something like that. You can see there's the bottom of the channel, there's the top of the channel. So yeah, that's me. That's what I'm looking for a move back onto structure, and somewhere around 4111 and 4100. That's what we're looking for. Looking to buy off that, and stops are below the low of Friday at this moment. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.